In today's video, we are going to show you how to import a CSV file into ClickUp. If you're looking to migrate tasks from Excel, Google Sheets, or any other tool into ClickUp, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. And then I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. From here, I want you to click the settings and then hover down to the left side area of the navigation where you can see the imports and exports section. It's very important for us to select the source of import. Okay? Now, you have two options under the import from local files. Since we are working with a CSV file, we need to select the spreadsheet instead. And then step 2 is importing the destination. We need to choose where to import our tasks. So there is like a drop down menu here and I want you to click on it. In this case, I am choosing the how to import CSV in ClickUp workspace. And then you can choose the format of your dates. You can choose from a year, month, followed by day, or you can choose the day followed by month, year, or year, month, and day. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. Once you've chosen your option, I want you to click the continue button. This will forward you to the editor where you can manually drag and drop the file that you wanted. That's going to be the CSV. Now, before we jump into dragging and dropping the file, you want to make sure your CSV file is ready. So I am going to go to my CSV file in Google Sheet. So this is the CSV file that I'm working. And then from here, I'm going to click the download and click it as CSV and then manually drop it on the ClickUp. As you may notice, the file has been imported successfully here in ClickUp. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.